Hello students, welcome to standard 10 subject mathematics, chapter number 6 triangles. This is lecture number 1. We are going to start this chapter here. So in triangles, this chapter was in 9th standard also, you have studied about. And in that chapter, in that 9th standard, about the triangles, we have studied about congruence of the two triangles with the different criteria like SSS, RHS, SAS, ASA. That type of all criteria we have seen, we have proved that type of theorems, and we were seeing that how the two triangles will be congruent, right? Congruence means the shape and size both are equal in the two given figures, or in case of triangle, in the two triangles, if both the shape and sizes both are equal, they are called congruent. In this standard 10, we are talking about the similar figures. We are not talking about the congruent figures, we are talking about the similar figures now. So in similarity, you know that your photograph and you have the sizes different, but the shape are same. So they are called similar figures, right? And similar way for the geometry side, if we talk about the two figures having the same shape and not necessarily the same size. If two figures have same shape but not sizes are not same, then they are called similar figures. Simple. Like here some figures we have taken circles with the different radii. Concentric circle, this is the small circle, big circles, less small circle, less small than that circle. So all the circles are of the same shape. Shapes are same, but size are different. So these circles are called, all the circles are called similar figures. Right? Here we have drawn the squares of different size. Small square, big square, somewhat medium sized square, and big square bigger than the squares. So all these squares have the same shape, they are squares, but the sizes are different. So all the squares are also called similar figures. Similarly here we have drawn the equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangles means all three sides are equal. In this triangle, in this smaller one also three sides are same. So and here also the equilateral triangle, here also the equilateral triangle. All the triangles are equilateral triangle, means all the triangles have same shape, they are equilateral, but the sizes are different, smaller or bigger, no matter. So these also, all the equilateral triangles are also called similar figures. So here we have the total about it, the two figures having the same shape and not necessarily the same size are called similar figures. All the circles, all the squares, and all the equilateral triangles are similar. Right? So from the above, we can say that all congruent figures are similar. We can say if the two circles we draw of the same size also, so they are called congruent circles. And all congruent will be if the two polygons or two things or two figures are in size, they are equal. They will be in same shape also. So for being the similarity, only the shape is necessary. If same shape, we can say similar. So all the congruent figures always they are in the same shape. So they are similar. But the similar figures need not have the same size. So if they don't have the same size, need not be congruent. Means these all are circles, they are similar but not congruent. These all squares are all similar because of same shape, but as the sizes are different, they are not congruent. So this is the important thing to be have. All congruent figures are similar, but all similar figures are not necessarily congruent. This way we have the conclusion and with some examples of similar figures. Now, we'll after seeing these examples and understanding about the similarity, we'll try to define here the definition of similar figures. So this is the definition of similar figures. The two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if number one condition must be their corresponding angles are equal, and number two condition is their corresponding sides are in same ratio, or you can say or proportion. Two figures, when you can say similar, if both have same number of sides, first of all, first condition, and in that also, if same number of sides, the polygons have the same number of angles they will have. So what about two conditions about the angles and sides? Second condition about the angle, what must be their corresponding angles. The corresponding angles must be equal. Their corresponding angles are equal. What about sides? Second condition, the sides must be in the same ratio. Their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, and this same ratio is called proportion. Then only we can say that two given figures are, or two given polygons, the two given polygons are similar. If the corresponding angles are equal, number one condition, corresponding angles are equal, number two, corresponding sides are in proportion or in same ratio, then only we can say the two polygons are similar. This is the definition we have to write and understand and learn. Now, based on this all understanding about the similar figures and definition, we have exercise 6.1. In that, the question number 1 is fill in the blanks using the correct word. So first blank is all the circles are dash. So which word will be correct, congruent or similar? Think about that. So as we have seen here, all circles are similar, because all circles may or may not have same size, but they have all same shape. If they have same shape, they will be similar. So here the similar word is correct. So we will write similar. Right? This word is correct. Second, all the squares are, again you see the figure and understanding of here. All the squares have same shape but not same size. So they are not congruent from this confusion also, but they are similar. So here also all the squares are similar. This word is correct. So we will write similar. Then all dash type of triangles are similar. Isosceles or equilateral. That also we have understood here. That all the equilateral triangles are of same shape but different size, so all the equilateral triangles are called similar. So all the which type of triangles are similar? Equilateral triangles are similar. So this will be the correct word. Equilateral triangles are similar. Next, fourth number, two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if this is the actually the definitions from this blank is there. So from this definition you can understand that if two polygons are there given, they will be similar. When we can say they are similar, the same number of sides are similar. If A, their corresponding angles are equal, this word will be here, angles are equal. This will be correct for the angle, equal angles. And number B, what is the next condition for the sides? Their corresponding sides are in proportion. This second word will come in second blank. Proportion means in same ratio. Right? So this way we have seen the blanks understood, and about from the understanding before we have seen the definition and understanding or examples of similar figures. Now question number 2, we have give two different examples of pairs of similar figures I can give all the circles, 2 circles or all the circles if I can write. 2 circles are always similar figures because they will have the same shape and different size, no matter, same shape, so they are always similar figures. All the squares also, all the equilateral triangle also we can write, but the question is about 2 different examples only we have to give, so 2 examples are written here. Now non-similar figures, for that, first example is 2 different type of triangle. 2 different type of triangle means suppose you are taking one as a equilateral triangle, the other one is as a acute angle triangle. So you can understand the shapes will be different. Equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, no. Acute angle triangle, the sides may not be equal in all. So the 2 different type of triangles will have always the different shape, and if they have different shape they will not be similar. They are called non-similar figures. Second example is 2 different type of quadrilateral. 2 different type of quadrilateral also non-similar because different type of triangles will have different type of shape. So different type of shapes is always not called similar figures. So they are non-similar figures. 2 examples we have given about this also. Now question number 3 we have state whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. So these 2 figure is given in the question. This is with all the sides equal, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5 PQRS quadrilateral given. Second quadrilateral ABCD is given, all the sides are here also equal. So sides are equal, sides are in proportion, we can understand, no problem. But what about the angle? The first condition must be for being similarity. Here you can see this shape is a square shape, so all the angles will be of 90, 90. And in this you can understand no angles of 90 degree, means corresponding angles are not equal. So that is the reason here in solution here we can observe that corresponding angles are not equal. Corresponding angles are not equal because in this all the angles are 90 degree. Here no angles of 90 degree. So therefore the equilaterals, these 2 equilaterals are not similar. They are not similar. So this way we have understood the definition with some examples and some previous knowledge, and we have verified with the exercise 6.1. So you are also suggested to write this all the understanding about the similar figures and draw these figures, similar figures. You draw circles, squares and equilateral triangle, and about that some conclusion is given. Definition is there of similarity, and it says 6.1, and confirm your knowledge about